Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a CAT5E or CAT6 Ethernet cable and your router. Check that the cable is no longer than 100 meters. Inspect both ends to confirm intact RJ45 connectors. Verify your PC has an RJ45 port and that a router LAN port is free. Power on the PC and router before connecting the cable. If the router is managed, note any VLAN or port labels that may affect the link. Disable Wi-Fi temporarily on the PC to ensure the wired link is used. Locate the PC's Ethernet port and orient the RJ45 plug so the clip faces down. Insert the plug firmly until you hear a click and the connection feels secure. Route the cable avoiding sharp bends and keep runs under 100 meters. Plug the other end into an available router LAN port, commonly labeled 1 through 4. If the router has LEDs, watch them blink to confirm physical link activity. Secure access cable with a tie to prevent strain on the connectors. After the physical link is established, configure network settings on the PC. Use automatic DHCP to obtain an IP address unless your network requires a static IP. If using static addressing, set IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS explicitly. Open a command prompt and ping the router gateway address such as 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1 to confirm connectivity. Run a speedest or transfer a local.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.